Good one. Well, that's a Geneva. 19 school. Presently residing at Barangay Dumatipang, Mataas sa Cavite. School taking up a course of graduate educational program for Bachelor of Science in a computer science. Based on the requirements needed, I believe that I possess a unique mix of experience, knowledge, skills, and abilities that can definitely help your company in a critical matter. Experience, skills, and abilities that I can offer your company include 4 months of experience at accounting office in the Pasig Public College as data entry. 5 months working in a familiar cafe as a programmer. About my performance in typing, I can type 50 words per minute. Also, I have a knowledge on how to assemble computers. I know how to troubleshoot computer problems or errors, such as in terms of hardware or software. For my qualification, may I refer to my resume. If you want a personal interview, you can reach me at my mobile number 0919-26-89-569 at your convenience time, so that you may judge my personal qualifications part. Thank you.